Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a decor display on my ottoman, and I will be using this rug that I purchased from IKEA. If you saw my IKEA video, you saw that I purchased that. And also this greenery from Target that was I think $1.50, and then this house was only $1.50. So I got some really inexpensive pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and do this decor display. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, then stay tuned. proved to be a little more challenging than I originally thought it would be. In the end, I decided to swap out the beige fur ornaments for the white ones. I just thought they looked better. And I decided to add the bell and the candle to the decor piece. I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. I love all the lights in it. I love that the house was only $1.50, and I just love the warm glow. It just, in the winter time, you can tend to feel depressed, and it just lifts my spirits and makes me feel a little happier. I also wanted to show you how I decorated my mantle. I used this lamb's ear garland from Hobby Lobby that I've had all year. I feel it works really well for all the seasons. I don't really need to change it out. I have a couple pieces from the Target Dollar Spot there and Hobby Lobby. I need to paint my surround. I have yet to do that. So down here I just have a few things going on, nothing too spectacular. And then my pillows here where my Christmas tree had been. If you're interested, I also have 2 other projects I worked on. This one here, and then I also have a tiered tray, and I will link those below in case you are interested in those winter projects that I did earlier in the year. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I will see you in the next video.